APR is short for annual percentage rate. APR is simply the quoted interest rate, and it's stated in annual terms such as 6% per year. The APR does not account for compounding intervals, discount points, or fees charged on the loan, and so therefore it doesn't typically reflect the actual true cost of borrowing. APY is short for annual percentage yield. This represents the total yield to the lender and states the true total cost of funds after accounting for compounding intervals, points, and fees, etc. APY is really the true interest rate that is being paid on a loan or financing.